Hello, my lovelies. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Life with Miss Eve. In today's video, I'm preparing banku, and here I was setting my coal pot ready. I have my charcoal, coal pot, matches, and pieces of steak. So here I was breaking some of the charcoal into smaller pieces because it didn't fit well in my coal pot. I needed to break them down to have it lit very well. I had to use some pieces of steak to help me lit my fire well. So here I have this steak where I was using my knife to get some pieces out of it. Then I remembered last week when I was using my coal pot, I have some pieces of steak I didn't use. So this was the leftover, and I decided to use that instead of getting new pieces of steak. The reason I don't use gas in preparing my banku, I tell you, it takes a lot of time. And the price of gas is so high in Ghana here. So I just get my charcoal, which is 5 Ghana cedis, and I use this twice. Then boom, my banku is ready instead of using the gas. Even though the gas is faster than this, but I have a lot of time. Yeah. So I got a poly bag, then teared it into smaller pieces before using it to set my firewood. So this is where I place the poly bag in the middle of the charcoal. I lit the matches up and use the pieces of firewood to cover it up, then my charcoal on top of it. So I left it outside for the stick to burn out before bringing it inside. Here I set it up and opened the bottom of the coal pot for air to blow through it in order to help it lit very fast for me. Just have a feel of my beautiful compound. Anyways, you see all this smoke. I let it sit outside for some time before bringing it into my corridor because I didn't want smoke in my house. I left it outside for some time before bringing it inside. So here I got my pot the for the stirring of my banku. Then in Ghana we use corn dough, cassava dough, and salt. I don't know if there is any African country or any country that eats banku. They also prepare banku in a different way. I can't tell. So I washed my pot because I realized that the last time I washed, I didn't wash it well because I have some black stains in it. So I washed that off camera. Then got my cassava dough and corn dough from the refrigerator, which has been sitting in there for about a week. I brought it out and I used it. I think I have to leave you here to enjoy the rest of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. And if you are new here, you are highly welcome, madam or mister. Here we cook more and we vlog as well. Enjoy the rest of the video and have a nice day. Bye.